Hey, it's Julie Kaelin, your favorite happiness and relationship coach, voiceover artist, songstress, singer, songwriter, and actress. And I'm here today with a happiness boosting tip. So, what is the number one thing that you could do if you are feeling down or just and you want a quick 1 minute happiness boost? Well, the best and easiest thing that you could do is to smile. So, all of us know that when you are happy, that causes a smile. But not everyone knows that forcing a smile, making yourself smile on purpose, could actually cause you to be happier. But science has proven this. There have been various studies that show just the simple act of smiling can make you feel happier because it actually changes your brain chemistry, and the act of smiling influences your brain chemistry. It is going to increase dopamine and serotonin levels in your brain, which are basically two happy chemicals in your brain that make you feel happier. And as those and less stressed. And also, studies have shown that smiling can reduce your blood pressure. And even at least one study has shown that smiling can make you live longer. So, people who smile more and smile more frequently, and the smiliest people are the ones that live the longest. So this is my one of my most powerful happiness tips and tricks that I use throughout the day. So some days I'm just going, "Oh, I'm not particularly happy or sad. I'm just kind of, I'm just, going through my day, just, and I just want a quick happiness boost throughout the day. And this only takes a few seconds sometimes too. So try it out now with me. Let's do a big smile. And just hold it for, like, 15 seconds. Even in 15 seconds, I could feel a big boost in my happy chemicals in the brain. I could just feel it. But you could even let it go longer, like, try it for holding it for just a minute if you can. And, sometimes you'll it'll feel kind of funny at first, and sometimes you'll wanna bust out laughing, which is awesome too for a definite, random happiness boost throughout the day. But try it, and if you've never done this exercise before, you will be so surprised at the results and so surprised at how at it feels like you've just taken some sort of happy drug and you feel really good, and it's just amazing. So smile as much as you can and whenever you can, and just that act of smiling has such a powerful influence on you and is guaranteed to boost your mood and boost your happiness. And smiling is so contagious. It's gonna not only boost your happiness, but boost everyone else's mood around you. If you're doing this in public, if you don't want to do it in public, that's okay. I do it in private a lot too. Just random smiling throughout the day. So definitely give that a try. Please let me know what you think in the description box, or in the comments section. I'm sorry. I'll put, if I remember, hopefully I will put some links to some of the articles and some of the science on smiling in the description box below. But definitely please try this out. Try smiling. Let me know how you feel. Let me know if it helps you. Let me know what you think. Or if you have any other 1 minute happiness boosting tips, I would love to hear from you. And if you want to contact me through email, my email address is julie@juliekaelin.com. If you would like more happiness tips from me or to work with me one-on-one, I'm always happy to do so. So thank you so much for watching this fun-filled, quick video on how to boost your happiness in 1 minute. And I am wishing you much happiness and joy. See you in the next video. Bye.